What's up, YouTube? Got a new setup for the Beamer here, as far as mirrors and lever guards. This is my current setup right here, but I got something new in for it. Change this out. So look over here, see what we got. It's here, here, and here. And as you see, I got some other stuff over here for the mirror setup, but let's unbox this and I'll show you what I got. Alright guys, as you see, got a new setup from Evotech Performance. So obviously, there's a product number for it, for this right here. So this actually goes this way. So this will be for the left side, and this is for the right side of the bike. Versus the one I got on there, so it's all black, there's no chrome or anything on it besides this piece here, but it shouldn't be that visible. So the setup for this, once I unscrew this and take that zip tie off, this actually goes in between here. It's just in like so, and I still would have the ability to mount the stock mirrors on if I want to, but I'm not going to because they're kind of too big. So since I'm not going to have any mirrors, I have this solution here. Now these are not Resuma stealth mirrors, these are actually generic knockoff ones. I didn't want to spend $500 on those if I don't like them. So this little kit was like $100, but the actual Resuma kit that you need to put these on, because I'm going to show you over here on the bike. As you see, this is all attached on here like that, and it doesn't have the hole up here so you can mount a mirror. Like as you see, I already mounted one on here already just to see if it fits and everything like that. So this is the part you need to actually put a mirror on here, and for both sides. Now the issue with my concern is I don't know. As you see, this is all attached to one whole piece, and the kit comes just like this. It doesn't come with any extension or anything like that to hold on to the brake fluid. So I'm thinking the other one is, it should be able to mount over top of this, but the only thing it'll cause it'll be uneven, the mirrors. But so we'll mount it and see. So what I'm going to do is unscrew these two here, and then I'm going to put this piece on over top of that piece, and hopefully that'll work that way. That way I still keep the stock pieces on here and it still mounts up the brake fluid. So let's get started. I'm going to remove both of these, but first I'm going to work on this side right here, and then I'll come up with a solution and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, let's go. 2 screws here, and you gotta be careful. Your lever is gonna fall down a little bit, so you gotta kinda keep that up. So now what I was saying in the beginning of the video, this piece, I need to keep this piece because it holds the brake fluid on there. So I'm gonna take this piece from Resuma, slide it right here like that. Hopefully the holes equal up. And Resuma supplies you with 2 short screws and 2 long screws. So obviously I think I'm gonna need the longer screws, which are these here. So I'm gonna put them in by hand first. So, like I said, you need a T25 to remove the stock ones, and you need a T30 to put these on. So it's straight. All right. Okay, now we got those screwed in nice and tight, and the brake fluid is nice and level. Take this kit here. It comes with the bolt, and this one here to actually lever out the mirror. It's gonna go like this. Goes in there like so. Good. And this piece goes here. Sit that there. I didn't even think about the brake fluid being in the way a little bit, but it's all good. It's not really in the way. So I just want to hand tighten it so it don't fall off. Alright, that's good enough. And this is a 8mm. This one, bolt right there. So we're gonna make sure it's level, and we're gonna tighten it. And it's done. So nice and sturdy. Alright guys, so I got the other bar end in. Let me see, you got the mirrors on. So now we're gonna work with this bar end, so we can install the leather guard on here. As you see, there's like a little lip right there, and this comes with this hole right there. Let me see if I can get some light in it, and it has that. So the indentation for the lever guard to actually slide in here, and that it looks better on there. So I'm gonna do that. You're good to go. All right, so then we're gonna grab this piece here, and it slides in here like that, like so. That, and that's the lip that kind of goes in this hole right here. Hold that there. Grab this, and then we need an 8mm. Screw this in. Hand tighten it for now. Alright guys, we got it all set up. Got the mirrors. See here? Like that. We got the bar in with the lever guard. Nice and flush one here. Here, get this mirror like that. There. So then, now we're ready to take this thing for a ride. Get better views outside, and I'll show you them outside what it looks like and see if they're actually functional. And then if they are, maybe I'll buy some actual Rizoma ones for one of my other bikes. Alright. Oh yeah, before I forget, this is the product number for these here. Right there. It's actually Rizoma. Here's the number for it. So, in case you guys want to add these to your M1000R. So I'm out here testing out these mirrors. See if I can see anything with them. And if they vibrate like the stock mirrors did. So far, really no vibrations. But I'm gonna get up here and make this turn, and I'm gonna see if I can see behind me at least a little bit better than stock. I can see behind me. I just gotta move my left arm out the way, and on the right, just put it down. I can see a lot better now. I can see if anybody's behind me perfectly just fine. And no vibrations either. Alright guys, so here's the mirrors outside. See what they're looking like. Right there. And right here. And they look pretty good. I don't know if you guys noticed on the riding portion of it, they don't shake or anything. There's no rattling, no shaking. If you're worried about seeing like a lot, like vision is a little cut off from your arms with these mirrors, which is the reason why I didn't want to spend $500 on the actual real version of them. So this is with them up. Put them down. And also, we got the brake lever guard on from Evotech. That looks good. I actually really like that. Right here. Yep, it's all good, nice and sturdy. I think these actually help with the shaking of the handlebars also. These bar end weights on both sides. This one here too. Yeah, so that's all I got for you guys. Here's the mirrors right here once again. Looking good. So that's the front of the bike. What's up, YouTube? Someone in the comment section actually posed a good question as to if these mirrors vibrate. And I replied back by saying that they do not vibrate. However, I do have different bar ends on them, as you see, which could be a combination of both the mirrors and the bar end weights that's reducing the vibration in the mirrors. Like I said, it could be the placement of these, because they're kind of off the handlebar and extended out, so they're not actually on the actual handlebars. I mean, it is, but it's not like a bar end like how it is on the end of this. So what I'm going to do is grab the stock mirrors and then take these off and then reinstall the stock mirrors onto here, because actually these allow you to reinstall the stock mirrors right here. See that little ledge there? That's for the stock mirrors. Has it on both sides, so you should be able to still use them. And so we'll see if it's actually just the bar end weights that have reduced the vibration of the mirrors. So I'm gonna grab them and then we'll reinstall them, and then we're gonna go on a ride. All right, let's go. All right, guys, you see, got them on. So let's try to go on a ride here and see if they vibrate or not. We're on tight enough. I tighten this as tight as it could be, and these are on tight, so we shall see. Man, this thing is fast. Alright, what's up, YouTube? I'm out here testing out these mirrors. I put the stock mirrors back on with my bar end weights, and as you see, still vibration. See, it's still doing it. But I can see at least. The little vibration ain't bad, at least I can still see. With the stock bar end weights, it was like unbearable. It was to the point I couldn't see anything. They vibrate so much. Right there, third gear, high revs, can't see. You gotta let it settle down so you can see. Yeah, can't see behind me at all. Well, back to the stealth mirrors. Well, that's all I got for you guys. Peace, remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.